The Puritan Age, 1600 to 1660. The Puritan Age is also known as the Age of Milton. It is further divided into Jacobean and Caroline periods after the names of James I and Charles I. The 17th century is marked by the decline of Renaissance spirit. It completely broke away with the past and got into the modern spirit. This spirit may be defined as the spirit of observation and systematic analysis of facts, feelings, and ideas. The art of biography popularized during this century, which was unknown during the 16th century. Autobiographies also came in the wake of biographies. Later on, keeping of diaries and journals became popular. These new literary developments were meant to meet the growing demand of analysis of feelings, intimate thoughts, and sensation of men and women. The newly awakened taste in realism was manifested in Puritan writings. In drama, the portrayal of the society took a prominent place in literature. In satire, it were the common faults of the people, which were ridiculed, but actual men belonging to opposite political and religious group. The Puritan movement in literature. The Puritan movement in literature may be considered as the second and greater Renaissance, marked by the rebirth of moral nature of men. The Puritan movement contributed, in literature, with moral sobriety and profundity that the Renaissance literature lacked. Puritanism. Puritanism, in course of time, became a national movement against tyrannical rule of the king, and stood for the liberty of the people. The Puritans were fanatic and stern. When Charles I was defeated and beheaded in 1649, and Puritanism came out triumphant, with the establishment of Commonwealth under Cromwell, severe laws were passed. Many simple modes of recreations and amusement were banned, and an austere standard of living was imposed. The literature of Puritan Age. The Puritan poetry can be divided into the three parts. The School of Spenser, Poetry of Metaphysical School, and Poetry of Cavalier Poets. The major poets of this period included John Milton, who continued to write, Andrew Marvell, and Sir Thomas Browne.